Welcome to Out of the World, and this place behind me doesn't need any introduction. Of course, this is Thailand, it's Krabi, and in this episode I will show you the most interesting places that you can find over here. But first I'd like to take you back to the previous episode, because the natural wonder of Khao Sok is only a 3-hour drive away from Krabi, so I highly recommend to combine the two. Krabi is a province and also a big city, but we stay in Ao Nang, which is a little village near the coast where you can do all kinds of activities. Next to the beautiful Andaman Sea lies the impressive coastline of Krabi. In Ao Nang you will find many nice resorts and restaurants, and by boat you can visit many beautiful islands from here. First, I have to show you our awesome hotel. We pay about 30 bucks and what's included is this water slide. Let's go, Jens! For Jens, this is a dream come true. Okay, yes, for all of us. The province of Krabi is a real holiday paradise, and there are some nice activities to do in the neighborhood. So today it's pretty good weather and we're gonna catch a boat and go to the most beautiful beach straight away. And for this we take a lovely traditional longtail boat. The boat trip costs us less than 2 bucks a person, and they also wait to take you back. The place I was referring to is Railay Beach. It takes you about 15 minutes by boat, which is the only way to get here. And this beach is so gorgeous that I think you already know this picture from the magazines. Railay Beach has been voted the most beautiful beach in Thailand countless times and is often listed among the most beautiful beaches in the entire world. I think it's not that much the beach, but especially the view that makes this a unique place. When we sit on the beach, we hear some movement in the trees above us. A large family of spectacled langurs is dropping by. Time for lunch in the cozy streets just behind the beach. And tonight we eat Indian. As it turns out, in Ao Nang there are a bunch of Indian restaurants and we like that. Oh, and also the cheap cocktails. Krabi has so many beautiful beaches and beautiful nature all around. But Thailand wouldn't be Thailand without some temples and colorful Buddha statues. And that's why we went to the Tiger Cave Temple. It's a temple inside a cave, but it's also a mountain with a beautiful view over the area.
It's 1,200 steps to go up on the hottest day of my vacation. So let's get to it.
The literal highlight of Krabi is the tough climb up on this high mountain, which is full of macaques, by the way.
Wow guys, it's so exhausting. Sometimes they have a mark on the stairs how many steps you already had, and I see there behind Suze it's about 300, so a quarter. And it's exhausting and so hot. But let's continue our journey. Whew. Oh my god guys, this is step number 1200 and we're still not there, so I guess they screwed us. Bastards! Finally, we made it!
I know that so far we have been very fortunate to see so much of our beautiful Earth, but this is yet another breathtaking sight.
Oh guys, it's so hot and I'm exhausted. I could murder someone for ice cream.
Perfect.
Before we go and head on out of here, we visited the Tiger Cave Temple, of course, which is a temple in a cave with tigers, basically. And it's pretty cool.
Today we have to say goodbye to my mom. But what an adventure did we have with the four of us.
I'm at the beach in Ao Nang and this is unfortunately the end of this episode. We leave Krabi, but we're not through in Thailand yet. We're going on a boat, not this one, but the bigger one in the back, and we're going to another highlight in Thailand, Koh Phi Phi. See you there.
So join us in the final destination of Thailand next time. But there's so much more waiting for us because the journey is far from over. So don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you then.